Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Massac County, Illinois, northeastern Ballard County, Kentucky, northwestern McCracken County, Kentucky, until 1:45 a.m. At 12:55 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near La Center, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paducah, Metropolis, Brookport, and Joppa. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky near mile marker 1. Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 29 and 38. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 a.m. for the following county: Massac, Illinois, and the following counties in Kentucky: Ballard and McCracken.